Good morning ma, welcome to Alpha Online Education Commerce Theory part for the English medium second years, and the chapter we are dealing with the banking services, and this is the 9th session of the chapter. So here we are dealing with the remaining topics which we have left in the chapter. In the session 8th session, what we have left, those things regarding the e-banking we are studying here. So real time cross settlement. Gross settlement means what? Gross means what? Huge. Lump sum, huge amount settlement in the real time means in a particular time. Real time means the process of instructions that are executed immediately. So the process of instructions, whatever the instructions are given to transfer the amount, gross amount, those instructions are immediately implemented without any delay. Okay, they are implemented. The money transferred, the gross money transfer related transactions are immediately they are executed. Executed means they will be implemented. Gross settlement means the settlement of fund. Gross settlement means what? It is the settlement of fund transfer, and thus payment are considered final. So settlement of fund regarding the transfer or the payment, okay, regarding the transfer or payment of the fund, okay, considered final. That is the final. When they get the instruction to transfer the fund, there will be transfer it immediately for the payment or for the transfer purpose, whatever it may be, that will be immediately transferred or pay, okay, without any delay. Next, the RTGS transactions takes place between three windows. Okay, these transactions generally takes place between three windows, means during the three times in a day. What is that, madam? Means 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. that is the one window, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. that is second window, and the third window is 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. In these three windows, these real-time cross settlements are done. Okay. In RTGS, a customer can transact with minimum of 2 lakhs rupees. Minimum, he can make the transaction of minimum 2 lakhs rupees and an upper of maximum, that is 10 lakhs rupees. Minimum 2 lakhs rupees and maximum is 10 lakhs rupees. So the charges charged by the RTGS that are for 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs rupees 5, from 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs, that is they're charging rupees 5 rupees, and above the 5 lakhs and the amount above the 5 lakhs for they're charging 10 rupees plus GST. 10 rupees plus GST. They are charging 10 rupees plus GST. Okay, GST means what? Good service tax. That is also they are charging if the amount exceed above the 5 lakhs rupees. So this is about the real time gross settlement, means immediately when the instructions are get to transfer the money, there will be immediately transferred the gross amount, means huge amount. Okay, with daily there is three windows. First window from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Second window 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Third window 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. So minimum 2 lakhs rupees transaction and maximum 10 lakhs rupees transaction. 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs rupees transaction, up to that they will charge 5 rupees. Okay, charges. From above the 5 lakhs rupees, they will charge 10 rupees plus GST. That is about the electronic, real-time gross settlement. Next, National Electronic Fund Transfer. Next one is National Electronic Fund Transfer. That means NEFT. NEFT allows the individuals and firm to transfer the fund from one bank to, here you can transfer fund from one bank to another bank. This is given to these facility is given to the individuals and for the firms. Firms means for companies. This facility is given for the individuals and for the companies to transfer the money from one bank to another bank, not branch. Branch kaadi kada. one bank to another bank, there is no ceiling on minimum and maximum that can be transferred through NEFT. So there is no limit of minimum or maximum ani elanti limit ceilings anevi em levu. There is no minimum or maximum that can be transferred through NEFT. There is no any kind of restrictions, but the NEFT will charge, okay, charges of NEFT. Let us see how it is charging. Up to 10,000 it will charge 1 rupee plus GST. From up to 10,000 it will charge rupees 1 rupee to 1 rupee plus GST. From rupees 10,001 to 1 lakh rupees, it will charge 2 rupees plus GST. Above 1 lakh to and up to 2 lakhs, it will charge rupees 3 plus GST. So from January 2020, the RBI has said to the SB account customers. SB account means State Bank account ఉన్న కస్టమర్స్ కి ఈ చార్జెస్ అనేవి చార్జ్ చేయకండి అని దే పాస్ ఎ న్యూ ఆర్డర్. ఓకే, for the persons who having the SB account, for them these SB account means State Bank account. For them these charges will be not charged by the National Electronic Fund Transfer. So these all types of transactions are controlling by the RBI. So every real time gross settlement or National Electronic Fund Transfer, whatever it may be, they have to work under the RBI rules and regulations. Next, electronic clearance service. This service is generally provided by the Department of Post. So Department of Post office is there, now Department of Post. So those department will provide these electronic clearance service. Okay, these scheme provide an alternative method of effecting bulk payment transactions periodically. Bulk payment transactions. Okay, bulk payment transactions means there we have gross settlement, right? There we have gross settlement. In the same way, here also bulk payment transactions periodically there can be transferred. It is operated at 15 centers where RBI manages. 15 centers is managed by RBI clearing houses, and 21 centers where SBI is managed electronic clearance services on behalf of RBI, and 29 centers PNB and other banks that are managing on behalf of RBI. 15 centers are managed by RBI, 21 by SBI on behalf of RBI, 29 by other financial banks or financial institutions on behalf of RBI. Okay, CES electronic clearance service, depositors have the facility of getting MIS interest. MIS interest means monthly interest scheme. MIS means monthly interest scheme. What is this? MIS means not given in your textbook. Full form: monthly income scheme. That is monthly income scheme given. Okay, interest is automatically credited into their SB account. That will be automatically credited to your SB account. The monthly income scheme interest, whatever the interest is there, that will be automatically transferred and credited to your SB account. Automatically there will be transferred to your account. You no need to go and stand in the line and you have to collect. Okay, this is generally, these facilities providing by the Department of Post. Okay, so electronic clearance service 15 centers are handling by the RBI, and 21 centers are holding by the SBI on behalf of RBI, and 29 centers are holding by the other banks or financial institutions on behalf of RBI. Next, to mobile banking, e-payment, Google Pay, what we are doing with the phone, those type of transactions are known as mobile banking transactions. Mobiles toti ఏమంటారు గూగుల్ పే, పేటిఎం ఇలాంటివి చేస్తున్నారు కదా, అవన్నీ వచ్చేసి మొబైల్ బ్యాంకింగ్ అన్నట్టు. విత్ ద మొబైల్ యూ కెన్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ద fund. Okay, next, payment and settlement system. This is registered under the, this is started with the Payment and Settlement System Act 2007. This was started with the act. What is that act mean? Payment and Settlement System Act 2007, legislated in December 2007. So what it said means, it will says you can transfer the fund, you can transfer the fund from, this is C means customer, B means business, C means customer, B means business, customer to business, business to customer, business to business. You can transfer from one customer to another business, and business can transfer certain fund to customer, and one business can transfer fund to another business. So that is here given with using these all facilities. Okay, mobile banking, electronic clearance service, and real time gross settlement, national electronic fund transfer. By using these all, customer can transfer to business, business can transfer fund to customer, and business can also transfer to the business. Okay, that is Payment and Settlement Act 2007. Next, e-check. E-check is very simple, just like paper check how we have. In the same way we will have e-check. How we will do, the holder of the check holder will do the signature. Yes, so same they have to do the signature, but that will be the digital signature. It is an electronic version of paper check, electronic version. Okay, for this the payer means who is paying to someone, payer has to submit his digital signature in advance, who is signing on the check. For example, I am the payer, I have to sign on the check. Okay, then only it will be valid. So before that I have to give my digital signature in advance to the bank. This is my signature. So if anyone do my signature, the bank will not going to accept it, because there will, once you will submit the signature and also you will submit PIN number, you will submit the PIN number. There is, after doing the signature you have to submit a PIN number. After submitting that PIN number, the account, the whatever the technology is there for electronic check system, that automatically check each and everything, whether this person only doing the transaction or any other person doing the transaction on behalf of this person. It will do deep study, and if it satisfied, then only it will issue the check. Otherwise it is not going to issue the check, it will block the check. చెక్ అనేది బ్లాక్ చేసేస్తుంది. దానికి డౌట్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, ఆ వ్యక్తే చేస్తున్నాడంటే ఓకే, ఇట్ విల్ ఇష్యూ ద చెక్ టు ద, ఎవరికి ఇష్యూ చేయాలో వాళ్ళకి ఇష్యూ చేసేస్తుంది. ఒకవేళ ఆ వ్యక్తి కాదు, ఆ సిగ్నేచర్ అనేది అతనిది కాదు, ఇది ఎవరో ఫోర్జరీ అంటే మాల్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నారని తెలిస్తే, ఫ్రాడ్ చేస్తున్నారని కొంచెమైనా దానికి డౌట్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, ఎమ్మటే బ్లాక్ చేసేస్తుంది, ఆ చెక్ని ఇష్యూ చేయదు. ఓకే, to avoid electronic e-check facility, separate software has to be obtained and installed. For this purpose you have to maintain a separate software and you have to install the separate software. Okay, issue of check begin when PIN number is entered. Yes, if you want to issue a check, then you have to enter the PIN number is entered by the account holder. The account holder, I am the account holder. Yes, what I will do, I will enter the PIN number. Thus it maintain privacy and security are ensured. So what he are saying, that the account holder who is the payer, okay, who is the payer, who is paying, right? So that person's signature will be checked, and afterwards his PIN number is checked. when his PIN number is entered, every data regarding his account balance and also about his signature, everything will be checked. After that only they will come to final conclusion and issue the check. Otherwise they will block the check and send a message to the customer, that message to the account holder, that your account has been using by someone, you just check once. They will send that kind of message and that account will be blocked for few hours. The account holder have to go to bank, or they have to interact with the manager, and they have to get a clearance. Okay, so this is about the e-banking. Now in the next session we are going to discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of e-banking and the futures of the internet banking. Okay, yes, let us meet in the new session.